City of mine, how I love the city of mine.
Hey y'all, it's Kimberly K coming back to you guys with a new video. Shout out to CurlsQueen for sponsoring today's video, and they really slayed your girl up. I mean, let me just go ahead and insert the clip of when I first got my hair done, because y'all know that fresh hair feeling when you walk up the salon and you like, is the wind blowing? Am I Beyonce? Like, what's going on? The hair was giving. I'm back in my sewing era, y'all. When I tell you, there's nothing like a really good sew-in. Anybody else? Can I get a raise of hands in the comments? Because I love a good sew-in, and this hair, y'all, the creme de la creme. This is so good. So I haven't used CurlsQueen in a minute. So when they reached out, I was like, let's see what it's giving. It's this 8. I will say the hair is a little bit darker than my hair, so that's one thing, but like I can always just put a rinse in my hair or dye the hair. But aside from that, so far I have no complaints. It's been a week. I have no complaints. So let me stop talking and let me go ahead and insert the video clips of me getting my hair done. I did wash my hair myself this time because I kind of have like my wash routine down. I kind of like my wash routine, so I was like, you know what, let me just wash my hair this time. But don't get me wrong, I do love when the stylist wash my hair. But you won't see that because I did it myself. So let's just jump right into me getting my braid down and getting the hair sewed and styled.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's confines. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. Oh, you.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right. So right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smiles. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared.
Myself. Like, why she ate like this?
Big purr.
Wow, this is too good.
Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right. So right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do. But tonight, meet me outside.
So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you see me in the streets, you're like, girl, why is she doing the most? Why is she swinging her hair? It's because I feel like I'm cute. I love my hair. My stylist did that. She did that. Like, she really kind of ate. And the hair is amazing. So thank you again to CurlsQueen for sponsoring today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. I will leave all the information in the description box. If I have a code, check there. Check there. I love you guys. And if you don't know, I always end my videos with an affirmation. So you did make it this far in the video. It's the way my camera just shut off in the middle of me giving my affirmation. But y'all gonna get this affirmation. So we pulled out the iPhone. So if you did make this far in the video, comment below, I am not my hair. And I know you're probably like, you really just ate the girls up with a cute hairstyle. But I want y'all to know, I am more than just a cute hairstyle. But don't get me wrong, I do love a good hairstyle. But no matter how you want to wear your hair, whether it's natural, whether it's straight, whether it's cut, whether it's wavy, whether it's kinky, whether it's coily, whether it's curly, whether it is with a weave, without a weave, whether it's braided, whether it's twisted, no matter how you wear your hair, you are not your hair. You are still a professional. You are still amazing. You still have an amazing work ethic. You are still beautiful. You are still confident. You are still needed. You are still an amazing person. So long as your character aligns. But y'all see what I'm saying. So I'm gonna run that back one time for the one time. If you didn't make it this far in the video, comment below, I am not my hair. But it's okay, sis, to get your hair done. It's okay to like a certain hairstyle. It's okay. Just let people live. Let people do them. If your hair is healthy, then that's really all that matters. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Later.